Welcome back to Growing Craft, friends. This side Sonia here, and I really hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make a beautiful 3D Christmas card. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and we are going to use these cardboard pieces. Now, before we move on to the studio, do make sure that you subscribe to our channel, and yes, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you guys do not miss any of our updates. So coming back to the tutorial, I'm going to use this beautiful pattern paper. Now I'm not sure if you guys know, I recently shifted back to India, and I was super excited because I couldn't get a lot of my stuff with me, and last week I got few of my parcels, and what I had was my Christmas pattern papers. I really wanted to use them, and trust me, they're like super gorgeous. So in this tutorial you will see me using just 2 sheets of paper, the pattern paper, doing the fussy cutting work, and it's going to look absolutely amazing. Now instead of using a sentiment here, I'm just using a piece of the pattern paper which says joy and peace, and this really goes well with my theme, and this is a very nice border and all, so I just thought I'm going to use this with my 3D element. Now do watch this video till end so that you know how did I give the 3D element, the 3D effect to my project. Now, like I said, I'm going to do a lot of fussy cutting work. So here I am also trimming this down, and I'm going to make sure that I have cute little elements to stick. Now, whenever you are doing your fussy cutting work, do make sure that the supplies are really good. Now, just in case if you guys are wondering from where to buy your craft supplies, do check out our website growingcraft.com. Now, coming back to the fussy cutting, I have done at least like 4-5 these teeny mini houses as my fussy cutting, and the border work, that's it. And I'm going to use a beautiful pattern paper out there. So whenever you are making your 3D cards, your Valentine card, your Christmas card, or any of your theme cards or the pop-up cards, I have realized that the elements look really cool. Let me know your feedback, and let me know your ideas of making cards and how do you really work out of that. Now this is the time when I'm going to use all my cardboard pieces. These are one of the easy and the cheapest way to add your 3D effect to your cards, and gluing them with a liquid glue just to make sure that they stick well. Once I'm done with this, I'm using this beautiful pattern paper. Now this is from a same pattern paper pack, and you can check out the paper pack collection on our website also. Mixed media fibers, where am I going to use it? You will see this very soon. Now for my sentiment, again I'm using my 3D effect, the same idea I'm using here. If you guys have 3D foam, nothing like it, I had it, but I wanted to show you guys that how you can use your literally any of the stuff from home and create your 3D effect. So once this is done, I am going to use these mixed media fibers. Now if you check our website, we have like so many shades of these, and they are like so versatile. You can use them for your card making, scrapbook making, for your decoration, for your platters making, and they are like absolutely amazing. Once this is done, I am going to stick all the teeny mini houses, and I've already bordered them with the 3D the cardboard pieces, and I'm going to stick it here. So I have already pre-planned this before shooting the video, so this was easy. But if you guys are really confused, take it slow. Card making is such an amazing process. I absolutely love doing it, and it's really therapeutic. So if you are having any of your different options or your feedbacks, do let me know. Now here I'm going to use one of my different elements. So usually I use this for my mixed media art. So these are like silver flakes. Again, check them on our website. I will be posting all the links in the comment section on the description side. Do check that, and all of these are available on our website. So these are the silver flakes which I'm using, and this really goes well with my project. Do check out the pictures at the end where you can see all the teeny mini details, because I know during the video tutorial seeing all the details is not really easy. So these gold flakes are looking amazing, and I'm just going to add few drops of my glue, and here I'm going to use my sequences of the white color. So I use my picking tool, and this is like amazing. This makes your work so much easier. And yes, my DIY beautiful Christmas card is ready. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.